Target dollar spot killed it this year. I am so excited for this haul. I took a risk and went shopping with my kids, which went about like you'd expect.
$3. Oh yeah, don't drop that on the floor. That would be very bad.
I want to go to candy.
The candy?
But I still went to a couple different stores and came away with a few new items. And everything in this video is $5 or under. Most items are just $3. Oh my gosh, they have a million boxes they need to unpack. These are all for Bullseyes Playground. You gotta stock it. If you're excited for DIYs, leave this video a thumbs up. The signage this year is beautiful. The banners really caught my eye, and these are just $3 each. The DIY options are endless with these, and my all-time favorite was this home banner. It makes me really excited to see letterboards in the Target dollar section. I loved this one. It comes with all the alphabet letters so you can create whatever you want, and they even have these mini calendars. This would transition great into your December decor as well. The hanging signs seem to be bigger or coming in packs of 2 this year for $5, and this fall one was my absolute favorite. Definitely had notes of Hobby Lobby. I could not believe these fabric pumpkins were just $1 this year. This is probably the best bang for your buck. And I think my favorite is this tiered tray. I'm planning to use this by our coffee station, but this would look so beautiful with decor in it, and it was only $5. These are the 3 tray options this year, and they are gorgeous. Along with these clear and tinted vases. I just love them. I think my favorite tray is this wooden one. I cannot believe they're $5. They also have ceramic pumpkins and really neutral colors for just $3, and these are a lot bigger than they were last year. I really, really like them. They also have metal lantern houses, which are so beautiful, very farmhouse inspired, and I couldn't resist this adorable blue truck with the pumpkins in it. How cute is this?
What do you have? You found a truck though. It's super cute. I like this.
They also have larger felt pumpkins in all sorts of colors, a blush pink, an orange, and a green, and I really, really liked this navy blue. The lanterns at Target this year are out of this world, and all of them are just $5, way cheaper than you could find anywhere else. And when you're shopping, don't forget to look for the $5 scarves. They double as blankets. We love these. This year when I was decorating, I wanted to keep it really simple. So I took this $3 jar and these $1 cotton stems I got from Dollar Tree last year, and I added in some of the pumpkins and the candles. I got everything on clearance at Target or from the dollar section. I wanted to go really minimal this year. I may add in some greenery later, but I love how simple and light the look is. If you're looking to host or put these items together in fun ways, I really love these next 3 items. The first are these cheese knives. This is perfect for a charcuterie board, and they are only $3. This is a great score. They also have these wooden crates for just $3 and these beautiful chalk signs. For $5, you get 4 of them. And this would be great for a dinner party or something by a coffee station, or if you wanted to use a chalk marker to personalize. And all the pillows this year are just $5. I fell in love with this one. And I know you guys are gonna ask, because I like to know this, how do you keep your fall decor? I keep everything in just one container. These are a few items that I picked up last year from Target and the Dollar Tree. And what I tend to do is go through my home and take out all of the summer decor and my everyday decor, and I put it back in the bin and I take out my fall items. I like to keep it to one bin because then I don't overbuy and I'm only keeping the things I'm actually using in my home. if you enjoyed this video and it gave you all the cozy fall vibes, definitely leave it a big thumbs up, and I know you want more like it. And if you want to see more fall and Christmas DIYs, you hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. I cannot wait to catch you soon. I'll see you there. Bye.
Where'd you get that from?
Here,
Good score.
I'm really good at this.
You are so helpful. Thank you.
I bought a pumpkin that matches my shirt. I'm not going to use that. That's really corny. Okay.